hold a banknote up to the light. Look at it. It's a piece of paper, cotton and ink. It can't feed you, shelter you, or keep you warm. On its own, it's worth almost nothing. And yet, people have killed for this, built empires on it, ended their lives over it. So here's a question you've probably never really asked. What is this thing in your hand? We spend our whole lives chasing money, and almost none of us can say what it actually is. Not how to earn it, what it is. The answer is stranger than it sounds. Money isn't a thing, it's an agreement. A story so many people believe at once that it becomes real. Go back far enough, and there is no money at all. If you have grain and you want an axe, you have to find someone with an axe who happens to want grain. Right now. It almost never works. Your grain rots. The whole economy of a village runs on luck and timing. People needed something else, something everyone would accept every time. So they chose things: cattle, salt. Roman soldiers were partly paid in it. It's where the word salary comes from. Cowrie shells, traded across continents for thousands of years. The rules were quiet but strict. It had to be hard to fake, easy to carry, and something everyone wanted. And one thing fit better than all the rest: gold. It doesn't rust. It doesn't rot. It's rare enough to be precious, soft enough to shape, and it shines in a way that, for reasons no economist can fully explain, humans have never stopped wanting. For most of recorded history, gold was money. Then someone had an idea that changed everything. Instead of carrying gold, you leave it with someone you trust, and you carry a paper note that says this can be exchanged for gold. The paper isn't valuable. It's a promise. And as long as everyone believes the promise, the paper works exactly like the gold. For the first time, money becomes pure trust, written down. And then, within living memory, the world took the final step. The paper stopped being a promise for gold. Today, the note in your hand can't be exchanged for anything. It is backed by nothing you can hold, only by a government that says it has value, and by millions of strangers who agree to act as if it does. We call it fiat money. From the Latin, let it be done. It's worth something because we all decided it is. That's the whole machine, which means money runs on something invisible: belief. And belief can break. In Germany in 1923, prices doubled every few days. People burned banknotes for heat because the paper was worth more as fuel than as money. The notes hadn't changed. The paper was the same. What collapsed was the story, the shared belief that the numbers meant anything. And the moment the story died, the money became what it always physically was: paper. This is the secret hiding in your wallet. Money is the most powerful story our species ever told. Not gold, not paper, not the numbers glowing on your screen. Those are just the props. The real money is the agreement between all of us, held in the mind, passed person to person, that these symbols can be trusted. It's an act of collective imagination, performed by billions of people who will never meet. So look at that paper again. It isn't worthless. It's holding up the world, not because of what it is, but because of what we all agree to believe. Money is trust you can fold and put in your pocket. For more of the things you thought you understood, subscribe to Wait What.